The Boeing 777X is the latest series of the long-range, wide-body, twin-engine Boeing 777 family. The 777X features new GE9X engines, new composite wings with folding wingtips, greater cabin width and seating capacity, and technologies from the Boeing 787. Diamond DA-50 is an Austrian 5-place single-engine composite aircraft designed by Diamond Aircraft Industries. It has fully retractable landing gear and a Continental CD300 diesel engine. The carbon fiber airframe will be packed with features borrowed from Diamond's DA-62. The Dassault Falcon 8X is Dassault's largest and longest range business jet, while the French Trijet is built for speed and luxury. It is also extremely maneuverable, as demonstrated by the test pilots. Certainly, a fully automated airplane like the 8X demands a crew with an in-depth understanding of the pros and cons of the technology in front of them. But when it comes to operations, this new Falcon should prove to be a worthy sibling to the 7X. The Cessna Sky Courier is an American twin-turboprop, high-wing utility aircraft under development by Textron Aviation. The design was developed to match FedEx Express requirements. Like the earlier Cessna 208, FedEx Express will be the launch customer with an order of 50 cargo aircraft and options for 50 more. The clean sheet design should offer better cabin flexibility and payload capability, superior performance, and lower operating costs than its competitors. The Gulfstream G700 delivers the most spacious, innovative, and flexible cabin in the industry, plus all-new, high-thrust Rolls-Royce engines and the award-winning Symmetry flight deck. When you cruise at Mach 0.9, you reach your destination faster. Beyond saving valuable time, fewer flight hours means longer periods between scheduled maintenance visits, higher potential aircraft value, and fresher crews. The nearly 57-foot long, 6-foot tall, and 8-foot wide cabin is the tallest, widest, and longest in the industry. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.